Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga kaji! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green, girly, cutie patuti iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Ngayon po, ikalawang araw po ng ating lecture about apples. The benefits of apples. Ano po yung ating makukuha na sustansya sa apples or benefits po sa apples. Alright, kahapon po ay sinabi po sa ating first lecture, yung apples po are nutritious. So, number 2 na benefit po ng apple is it may support weight loss. Yan na po, ikalawang benefits ng apple. It can support weight loss, mga masters. And sa mga gusto pong maka-lose talaga ng weight, pwede nilang i-include yung apple sa kanilang mga regular na routine. Okay? Apples are high in fiber and water, which makes them filling. So talaga, pag kumain ka ng apple, palagi kang feeling busog. Okay? In one study, eating apple or eating whole apples increased fullness more than consuming equal amounts of apple juice. So isang apple lang pong kakainin mo po, mga masters. Ayun, ubos na natin yung apple na slice natin. No? Ayan. So nag-slice ulit tayo ng mga apples. Sinaslice po natin ito ngayon sa harapan nyo. Ayan, ayan, huwag na nang tansyanat. Meron akong sugat sa aking kamay dahil po ako ay kinagat po tayo ng parrot. Ayan. Yan po, gustong-gusto po yan ni G natin yung apples, mga masters. Ayan. So, this may mas maganda po kumain ka po ang consumption po ng one whole apple compared to drinking apple juice. Yun pong sinabi po dito. Okay, sabi po dito ulit ay, this may happen because whole apples reduce gastric emptying. The rate of which your stomach empties. So nag-ano po siya, tumutulong po siya para hindi madali-daling maging empty po yung ating tiyan, ang ating stomach. Okay? So, ito isa sa mga benefits po ng apple. And research also suggests that apple intake may significantly reduce body mass index. Ayun, ang body mass index, kung mas mataas po yung body fats mo kung i-compare mo sa iyong regular weight. Diba? BMI ang tawag po dyan. A weight-related risk factor for heart disease. Ayan, ubos na din natin yung 1/4 ng apple. So, let's continue slicing another 1/4 of the apple, mga masters. Kahapon po ay nakain po ni G natin yung 1/4 ng apple. Kinain niya po yun. Ngayon po ay hindi na natin tatanggalin yung kanyang balat. Papakain natin yung balat. Kasama po yung mismo ng apple. Gusto po ni G yung apple. Ilang beses na po kasi ito kumain ng apple. Gusto niya po yan. And I'm so happy that G likes apple because apple is a very healthy fruit. And hindi ito medyo kamahalan po dito sa US. Kasi one of the most common product or produce po ito dito sa US. Yan. At si Daddy na po, Master Worm, ang kakain ng ito. Gusto ko rin to. Pero, siyempre. Alright. So, it can reduce BMI. And interestingly, apple polyphenols may also have anti-obesity effects. Ayun tandaan niyo po meron po siyang anti-obesity effect. Ang galing. Magaling to. Kakain na ako ng apple araw-araw pag ganyan. So nakakatulong po siya. Reduce gastric emptying. It means na hindi ka dali-daling mag-bowel movement or lalabas. So it means that the food will stay there. It will make you feel full. And at the same time, it is very, very high in fiber. Kaya po ay Hindi po siya delikado, hindi ka tataba dito kasi fiber po siya. So in summary, apples are particularly filling due to their high fiber and water content. Their polyphenols may also have anti-obesity effects. So, may anti-obesity effects po siya. Pero si G natin, ayun, bilib na bilib talaga yan sa apple. Huwag mo, naglalaway-laway pa yan si G natin. Gustong-gusto niya. Lights on! Ayun. Meron tayong ilaw na dinidemand lang natin. Command lang natin mag-lights on. Alright, number 3, benefits of apple, mga masters. Could be good for your heart. Maganda po ang apples sa ating heart. Apples have been linked to a lower chance of heart disease. Research has found that eating 100 to 150 grams daily of whole apples, 100 to 150 grams po yan, mga masters, a day, okay, is associated with lower chance of heart disease and risk factors such as high blood pressure. Ayan, dapat pala kumain tayo ng apples every day, at least 100 to 150 grams a day. Ayan. One reason may be that they contain soluble fiber. This fiber is also associated with a lower chance of heart disease. Ayan, gustong-gusto talaga ng gene natin yung apple. Another reason why may be that they offer polyphenols. This fiber is also associated with a lower chance of heart disease. Gabi talaga ang apples, mga masters. Another reason, yun, studies have also linked high intakes of flavonoids with a lower chance of stroke. Ayan, nakaka-lower talaga ng stroke, ng chance ng stroke. Ito po yung ating apples at maka-lower ng blood pressure. Another study is also linked eating apples to a reduced chance of stroke. Ay, di ba? Reduced chance of strokes po, mga masters. Ayan, gustong-gusto talaga ng gene natin, no? Sarap, no? Apples promote heart health in several ways. They are high in soluble fiber, which helps you lower cholesterol. They also have polyphenols linked to lower blood pressure and chance of stroke. Alright, let's proceed po sa number 4. Number 4 na po tayo, linked to a lower chance of diabetes. Ayan po, mga masters, mga G, ang apple makakatulong po na lower chance of diabetes. Eating apples may also reduce your chance of type 2 diabetes. A complication of studies found that eating apple hindi complication. A compilation of studies found that eating apples and pears was associated with 18% reduction in that type 2 diabetes risk. And tumutulong po ang pears at ang apples ay nakakatulong po ng 18% reduction in type 2 diabetes risk. Just one serving per week may also reduce the risk by 3%. O, halimbawa mga masters, hindi na medyo mahal yung apple dyan sa Pilipinas or kung saan ka man. Diba? So, pag kumain ka ng 1 apple a day, 1 apple a week, 3% na po ang marireduce dyan ng diabetes. So, much more kung kumakain ka, halimbawa, 4 times a week or once a day, kung kayang-kaya ng bulsa, o diba, mas malaki ang chance na ikaw po ay maiwasan po ang diabetes. Okay? So, in summary, eating apples is linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, potentially due to the polyphenol content. Ayan, tapos na pong kumain ng ating G, kaya po siya ay tumalikod na sa kanyang plato, which is yung cutting board na ginawa nating plate niya for the meantime. At syempre yung apple na to, ilalagay din natin yan mamaya kasama sa kanyang gulay para mamaya ay kakainin niya ulit yan. Alright, so ayun po, hanggang dito lang muna tayo mga masters. At ako po ay, let's take the chance para po ako ay mag-invite sa inyo dahil po ay this coming Sunday ay meron tayong 100th Premier Marathon Celebration kasama po yung ating bahay kulitan and of course kasama din po natin ng team Puyaters. So, ito po ay aming handog sa inyo. Hindi naman ito kalakihang bonggang-bonggang selebrasyon. Pero, Siyempre, 11 o'clock ako magsa-start. Ako kasing host pag Sunday. And it so happened po na meron tayong 100th celebration na po nating Premier Marathon. Actually, ang Bahay Kulitan po ay nag-umpisa po noong June 6, 2024. Last year po, June 6 po tayo nag-start. And halfway na po tayo. And hopefully po ay patuloy pa rin po tayo sa ating adikain. Wala naman tayong ibang hadikain kundi ang tumulong na meron tayong venue for Premier Marathons or Premier Promotions. Hindi po tayo competition sa ibang teams. Tayo po ay nag-i-invite para po ay meron ka lang sasamahan na team na sabay manonood po pag ikaw ang mag-premier. So, hindi po ito competition or rival ng ibang teams. In fact, nag-i-invite po kami kung sino lang po yung willing mag-support at willing pong maggumawa ng kanilang mga premiers, ay willing po talaga or open talaga yung ating team, yung Bahay Kulitan, na yakapin ang iyong mga contents. Yun lang po, kailangan lang talaga maging supportive din. So kung ikaw po ay papasok sa aming Premier Marathon, ikaw po ay sasama din. Kung hindi available sa oras mo, kailangan natin yung resibo o yung ating proof na kayo po ay nanonood talaga ng video. Kailangan all red po yung inyong timeline. Anyways, meron tayong pag-games from 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Hosted by yours truly, Master Worm. And then from 2 to 4, meron tayong patuloy tayo sa ating Premier Marathon. And then of course, meron tayong mga tatlo pang mga hosts na susunod pagkatapos sa akin. At meron tayong mga pag-games at syempre may kantahan. Hindi mawawala ang kantahan. Alright, so hanggang dito lang muna tayo mga Masters. Tuesday ngayon, meron naman tayong Premier Marathon ulit. 1 o'clock ng hapon. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!